Hola! Today we're traveling to Galicia in northern Spain, to the city of Padrón, where these peppers come from. You find them in every tapas bar and they are delicious. They're like a little lottery because some of them are hot, some of them are not. They're called Pimientos de Padron or fried Padron peppers. So if you're ready, let's get started. All the ingredients are in the description box below. This recipe doesn't have many ingredients, as you can see. Now we have our Padron peppers nicely washed. If you don't have the exact same variety, just use a similar small one with thin skin. We put a generous amount of olive oil in the pan. When it's nice and hot, we add the peppers. Now we're going to use a lid because we need to shake them occasionally so they get blistered evenly. As you can see, it's starting to get blistered. And we'll repeat the process. We cook these for about 3 to 4 minutes, no longer than that. We turn them around. And now, as you can see, they're completely blistered and ready to be taken out. We use a paper towel to remove the excess olive oil. I didn't add any salt when cooking, so I add some rock salt now. The peppers will absorb as much as they need. And it looks beautiful, voila! As simple as that. Now it's the moment of truth. Let's see if this is a sweet one or a hot one. I hope it's sweet. And yes, luckily it was a sweet one. Delicious. So, buen provecho. Enjoy. Adiós.